Welcome to my Introduction to Perl course. So this is section 2 and I'm just going to go over the overview of what we'll be learning and covering in this section today. So let's dive right into it. So what will you learn in this section? Well, the first thing is that we're going to get and install our Perl environment. So this includes going out to the internet and downloading the IDE or the software needed to run our programs and create our source code. So again, I'll guide you guys step by step, and just be aware for you Mac OS X users, Perl is already installed by default that you can use with your command shell or whatnot. But majority for our Windows users, this is where I show you guys how to go out to the internet and download and properly install our Perl integrated development environment to test and run our Perl applications. So creating a first Perl program. Again, I'm going to guide you guys step by step how to create your first Perl program, show you guys the basics and why it functions the way it does. And just like any other programming language, they have their first Hello World program. But with us, we're going to do our first Hello Perl program. So I'll show you personal advanced Perl examples that I've personally created, and it's going to pretty much resemble our final as well, our final project, and I'm going to prepare you guys with the skills to run that kind of program that I'll show you. So for our section outro, or our conclusion, I'm just going to go over everything that we've covered in our lectures and our section, and just to make sure you guys have the skills that we went over and that we covered. So again, we're going to install our Perl environment to test and run our applications. We're going to create our first Perl program, and I'm going to show you guys some of my advanced Perl examples and go over them and what they do, and just to kind of give you guys a real world Perl application in the outside world, what it's like and what it feels like. So we're going to go in and dive into our lecture.